summoned.
Shatter you into pieces! To ashes! Feel my wrath!
Rage of Mount Fagua Marble allows you to attack the boss in protection. Acquiring Rage of Mount Fagua and Protection of Quattro Clan Marble simultaneously will delete all buffs.
This isn't...
You will be proceeded to the next stage.
So, you are here after defeating Let me show you why. You dare surrender. I've lost. Impossible. I guess I'll just cut off your